Hello everyone, welcome to Storytime with Lorenzo. Our featured book today is How to Catch a Witch, written by Alice Walstead, illustrated by Megan Joyce, creatively read and adapted by Lorenzo. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe to help my channel grow. Stay tuned for a fun game at the end of the story. There's a magic witch in town on this Halloween night. Let's set our clever traps and tricks before she leaves in flight. Should we be scared of the witch and monsters? Or are they just here for some Halloween fun? We happily dressed in our costumes with care, getting ready for trick-or-treat night. What we yet didn't know was who else had a plan for Halloween mischief to give us a fright. The pumpkins were carved and lit from within as we walked in the crisp autumn air. We started to notice ghosts, ghouls, and goblins popping up over here, there, and everywhere. But there aren't enough kids living in our town to account for this many creatures. Some of these beings just might be real. Take a look at all their weird features. Time to floss, bump, and boogie. Up very high was a witch in the sky. On her broom, she had invites to carry. With a wave of her wand, the music began. When dancing, the ghosts looked less scary. We figured out that the witch brought the creatures, so we set traps for a Halloween prize. We have to catch her to send all the ghouls back. It won't be easy, cause this witch is wise. 3. Broom bristling, stop here. Beyond catching the witch, there's candy to get. Chocolates and sweets, big and small. If the tricks, treats, and traps all fall in line, this spooky night, we might have it all. Whoosh. She likes spiders, and maybe their webs can help out. The witch could get stuck on the floor. Hang on a second. Wait just a minute. Do we have more kids than before? First prize for busting best moves. This witch is clever and brought lots of friends. We need far better traps before this night ends. Zombies, dinos, ghosts, wolves, and more. Monsters everywhere and one in a pool. We can't catch them all in just one night. Better trap the witch before ghouls rule my school. This is getting serious. We're running out of time. Do witches even stop for roadblocks? Sure hope she falls for a tunnel of tricks. We need to return our dad's toolbox. The witch stops her boogie to come and explore, wondering what tricks are inside. She's wise to the trap and summons some help, sending a bat in first as her guide. We watched the boat to see when to start. She skipped the boat and just used her broom. Makes sense, we guess. Why wouldn't she fly? We had no idea that thing had such zoom. The dance party had hit the finale at last. Each dancing monster started to cheer. There's no doubt about it, we have to admit. This witch threw the party of the year! Then, just when we thought it was over, and all the goblins were with us forever, the witch opened a portal, and they left in a flash. As party hostess, she's welcome whenever. Happy Halloween! See you next year! I love this book because it turns spooky creatures into fun friends, and it reminds us that Halloween is all about creativity and having a good time. Fun game. Guess the character. Who flies through the night on her broom and casts spells? Can you guess who this is? A witch! This one floats around, saying boo! Who do you think this spooky friend is? A ghost! With a carved out face that lights up the night. Can you guess this Halloween favorite? A jack-o'-lantern. Bones from head to toe, rattling as it walks. Who could this be? A skeleton. Did you guess them all? Well done! That was so much fun. Happy Halloween, everyone! And I wonder, what character are you going to dress up as this Halloween? The end. I'll see you next time for another magical story on Storytime with Lorenzo. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe.